First number out, 69, Chicken Town. There she is. 51 is Jackpot Cover-Off. 36, 53, the number 4, 66, 47, 21, 74, 31, 72, 27, the number 3, 62, 16, 75, 44, 55, 67, 68, 59, 60, 43, 35, the number 9, 13, 29, 41, 63, 48, 56, 44, number 57, 61, 26, 71, 24, 15,
Big last winner, 33.
5, 73, 14, 25, 6, 37,
30,
22, 0, the number 2,
63,
46,
You're not playing
34,
video games.
39,
64,
the number 1, 8, 39, 30, 58, 12, 64, 65, 75, 54, 17,
20,
possible bingo, 17, last number called,
50, pair out before she comes out.
34,
I got two possible.
51, possible
Three
bingo,
possible.
51, last number
Girl, look.
4, 5, 8.
At the Valley Bingo.
Kings and Queens is next, ladies and gentlemen. Kings.
10 or 11.
Right, there's gonna be manual. 464, manual. 6, 30, 45,
Off the ballot.
51, last 63 is the ballot bingo. Any other
95.
bingos? Any other bingos? There are no other bingos. Game is closed.
95, this is 49.
2,000.
No 49 in that card.
Kings and Queens, 83, 7, 4 is next, ladies and gentlemen. King.
Also no.
and
Any other
Queen.
bingos? 23,
Any other bingos? Your first number.
There are no other bingos. Game is closed. 3 winners.
5, splitting the prize of one.
Kings and Queens.
$1,000. Congratulations. Once again,
28.
ladies and gentlemen, for those who are leaving, doors will open at the number 2. Yeah, 12 o'clock again tomorrow, ladies and gentlemen, 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock midnight. No, 12 o'clock. 17, I never told you 11 o'clock. 46, 46, 68, 68, 49, 49. On those cassettes you guys got, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoy them. The cassette is actually a cookie.
Commercial later.
And inside there is a QR code, and all those songs on there are actually playing. All those songs play. 57, 57. There's a hidden track on there with me singing on it too. Yeah, good luck finding it. 42. That's how hidden it is. 15, 1-5. Thank Mary, Mary upstairs. She's the one that made them. You guys can thank her. Thank you, Mary. 44, 4-4. The number 9, 9. Also, please give it up for the kitchen today, ladies and gentlemen. Hope you guys enjoy the kitchen, as always. Another hard work. 5. Number 5. 64, 6-4. 37, 3-7. 54, 5-4. 59, 5-9. 21, 2-1. Bingo in the MPR. Go ahead, Sabrina. Bacon or sausage is next. Go ahead. No, do this one manual. It's not a computer. 221 last, 37. 49 and 64. That is a valid bingo. Any other bingos? Any other bingos? Hearing no other bingos, game is closed. One winner in the MPR, receiving $2,398. Congratulations, MPR. Bacon or sausage, ladies and gentlemen. Bacon or sausage is next. Denny's after this. Jen already made those too. First number for, what was it? Oh, bacon or sausage. 31. 3-1. Huh? No. We got to get the hall back up. 63. 6-3, unless you want to play on the filth, but 12 o'clock. Yeah, doors open at 12. About 2:30. 25. 2-5. 2:33, probably 3 though. $20, 2-0.
12-3.
Yeah. 59, 5-9. 5, number 5.
I just want to go to my car and turn my heat on. That's all I want to do. I just want to go in my car and turn my heat on.
2,
You're gonna take the 71?
No,
the
60.
number 2.
Oh, you get off on the 60.
Yeah. 60 and go straight down Haven.
51, 5-1.
71.
No. Go down, take the 60, get off on
9.
Haven and go straight down Haven.
Yeah?
The number 9.
Because I live off of Sumner, so
62.
Haven turns into Sumner.
6-2.
You ain't gonna give us much time.
37. Thank you, last
Y'all
winner.
coming tomorrow? No? We'll get this money out the door.
29. Possible bingo
Spoke too soon. What? You spoke
in the attic.
Rubber band. No rubber.
Who got the bingo up there?
You like it wrong.
Just drop it like Plinko.
No, Mary got it.
Drop it. Plink, 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 plink. And 0. Hit the middle. Manual on this one too, Delta. Manual. 929 last. 59 and 63. That is a valid bingo. Any other bingos? Any other bingos? Hearing no other bingos, game is closed. One winner receiving $2,398. Congratulations to the annex upstairs. Stars and stripes, ladies and gentlemen, stars and stripes. For the last and 20th, $23.98 tonight. Serial ending in 817. I got another 20 on board tomorrow, ladies and gentlemen.
What is it?
Silver bars.
Yeah, we
I'm
did
just
play
playing. I
that.
don't
We played that first.
probably play like 3 or 4.
That was like the first one we played.
Stars and stripes. Unless you guys want 20, I have them back there. First number 53, 53. 69. Chicken time.
Come on, sis, out the door. Chicken comes tomorrow.
I
61.
still wouldn't come.
6-1.
I would not even.
Close.
I would not even get on the 60 freeway. Come. That's bad.
31.
So that's bad, huh?
3-1. Once again, doors will open 12 o'clock tomorrow. 70. 7-0. 14. 1-4.
Turn that around. Turn it around.
9. The number 9.
Every time it's been 9, I've been needing 6. Every single time it's 9, I need 6.
74. Thank you, last winner. 7-4. 43. 4-3. 38.
Yes, Erica, it was
3-8.
20 doubles. They did 20, 23, 98s. It was 20, 23, 98s, Erica.
39. 3-9. Like what? Antonio. Okay. 48. Come see me, Antonio, before the crowd leaves. 48.
Right here.
21. Hot bingo?
So I got
Where?
No, let's go.
They don't got no bingo. Let's go. We need Bougie to get a bingo.
Manual
she
as
got
well. 14-21 last. 31-48. 74 Bella bingo. Any other bingos? Any other bingos? Hearing no other bingos, game is closed. One winner receiving $2,398. Congratulations. Last game of the night, ladies and gentlemen. Mega Palms.
Out of here. Oh, leave that one up there.
Mega Palms, the 3 winners, ladies and gentlemen. There's going to be a $1,500 winner, a $1,200 winner, and a $900 winner for Mega Palms. Last chance for the Pac-Man. Debbie's gonna get it. Fernando, come and plug it before she beats you. Just trip over the wire. First number 7. This is Mega Palms, ladies and gentlemen. Last game of the night. $39. 35. 48. 8.
Hey, it's 14 down here.
52. 44.
Why would you spit it in?
28.
Why do I have my cards like this? Because I really can't even see.
70. 61.
Only yeah. Because our rubber.
58. 33. Dance party after this. 57. 51.
47.
47.
72.
72.
69.
Careful, Megan.
Got no 69.
69,
46.
46,
34.
I would do it at their own risk because I'm not here supervising when they're cleaning. 34,
44. 71.
71. Terrence, you're cleaning this room, so
16. Got no 16s.
yeah. 16. Yeah, anything of value, I would not leave it here. 63.
37. Did I see a 37 somewhere?
37. The
9.
Terrence clean like me at home and just throw everything away.
Got no 9s.
9. Possible, bingo, 9. Last number called, there's gonna be 3. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, I want to thank you guys for coming out tonight. Ooh, if you enjoyed yourselves. What color and what numbers? I can barely hear you, Dalton.